Now, what is a CPA license? So once you have passed the CPA exam, you need to get a license within 3 years. If you don't get the license within 3 years, your scores get lapsed. Now, what is a CPA license? So it is like if you want to put CA, CPA Sripal Jain. So if you want to use CPA there, you will need to apply for license, else you cannot put your name as CPA there. And if you want to practice, if you want to open your own CPA firm also, you need to get a license. So what is the license criteria? You need to have 1 year work experience. That can be post experience or that can be pre-experience. That means even before you have started your CPA and you have worked under someone, that experience is also counted. It need not be under a CPA only. It can be under anyone, but the experience should be relevant. It cannot be under non-accounting experience. It should be an accounting experience. And I'm a licensed CPA, so I have a team of around 5 people who will do the license verification also for you. So you don't need to worry. You might be seeing again on LinkedIn, on social media about our various licensing people are getting. Because guys, I feel that license is very important because it not only makes you that you can use your name CPA Sripal Jain, but you can always read, and every year you have certain credit requirement. What are that? That are CP credits which you need to study mandatorily, and you will be updated also in order to maintain your license. So that is a very important thing. I would suggest strongly that you should definitely go for an institute who does provide licensing services and end-to-end evaluation, processing and all those sort of things.